RITES Limited has announced that it has received an acceptance of its offer from South Africa-based Volantis Asset Finance Proprietary Limited for the supply and commissioning of 4,000 horsepower Cape gauge diesel-electric locomotives. The proposed order is valued at $35.82 million, making it a significant international business opportunity for the public sector engineering and transport consultancy company. Indian state-run refiner Oil and Natural Gas Corporation Limited has awarded a charter hiring services for natural gas compression to Deep Industries Limited, an oil and gas field services providing company. The total estimated value of the said award is approximately 49.10 crores rupees. The Solar Energy Corporation of India has signed a power purchase agreement with Serentica Renewables for a 600 megawatt, 2,400 megawatt-hours allocation under SECI's FDRE-7, a short peak tender. The agreement marks a major milestone in the implementation of the project. In a significant step towards the green renewable projects, the state-run firm Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited (BHEL) has signed Strategic Collaboration Agreement (SCA) with ThyssenKrupp Nucera India Private Limited for alkaline electrolyzer system for green hydrogen projects. The company has informed the exchanges. The cost of the agreement is still confidential and has not been mentioned. Bharat Petroleum Corporation Limited (BPCL) has received strong backing from its shareholders for two important proposals linked to its Mozambique offshore project. The company announced the results of the postal ballot today. In a filing made to the BSE and NSE, BPCL informed that members have passed both ordinary resolutions with a clear majority through remote e-voting. ONGC has won the Platinum Category Award at the 16th Annual EEF Global Decarbonization Awards 2026 for its achievements in decarbonization, net zero transition, ESG performance, and sustainable energy leadership. The award highlights ONGC's continuous efforts to reduce greenhouse gas emissions, improve environmental performance, and integrate sustainability into its business operations. NTPC Limited has submitted a compliance certificate to BSE and NSE for the quarter ended June 30, 2026. The company filed the document under Regulation 74(5) of SEBI, Depositories and Participants Regulations 2018. This is a standard filing that confirms all share dematerialization requests were handled properly. In a major regulatory filing submitted to the stock exchanges, state-run Rashtriya Chemicals and Fertilizers Limited announced that its board of directors has approved a fundraising plan of up to 1,500 crore rupees through a further public offering. The FPO will consist of a fresh issue of equity shares, subject to necessary clearances from the company's shareholders, the Department of Fertilizers under the GOI, and DIPAM. NMDC Limited has strengthened its rural development efforts through its diamond mining project in Panna, where the company has created modern community infrastructure under its Corporate Social Responsibility (CSR) program. A Maharatna GAIL India Limited has started Swachhata Pakhwada 2026 with a pledge-taking ceremony at its Jubilee Tower corporate office in Noida. The program was held on July 1, 2026 in the presence of the Executive Director, Operations and Maintenance, Corporate Office and Officer in Charge, along with senior officials.